Need to fix the Bcryptprimitives.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Bcryptprimitives, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is a core Windows system file that implements fundamental cryptographic algorithms. It provides the low-level mathematical logic for encryption, hashing, and random number generation used by the OS security. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components, including the Bcryptprimitives.dll. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Bcryptprimitives file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Remember that manual replacement of the Bcryptprimitives.dll is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes the Bcryptprimitives references. Thank you for trusting us with the Bcryptprimitives repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.